Are you ordering the taxi?
I'm ordering the taxi.
Da, 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 da. Let's go, Katie.
No taxi's accepted it yet. Okay, we've got a taxi arriving in 1 minute.
1 minute.
Shit!
Oh, I'm getting in front.
Yep.
Can you take my thingy? I'll take this.
Are you filming?
Yes. Top one. St. Petersburg to Ekaterinburg. 1709, platform 8. Let's go. So this is the train that's going to take us out of Europe and into Siberia. So this is our compartment.
And it is well civilised. Look, we've got teapot, teacups, little food parcel including chocolate.
Room service.
Bottle of water.
Delicious. And people passing outside, proving we've not left yet. Or we're going very slowly. Cup of tea, Trans Siberian style. First, deposit your tea bag into your teacup, or even your teapot. Don't leave home without it. This is the tea urn for the next 2 days. Turn that off. And ta-da! And the final step is you pour from the teapot into the teacup your freshly brewed cuppa. Oh, whilst Russia passes out the window. Fantastic.